Good afternoon, good morning. Can I sit?
Don't hold the file like this.
Okay.
No, you hold it like this. You hold it like
Okay,
this.
sure.
No,
Yes.
don't hold it like
Okay.
this. Okay?
Sure. Can I sit?
Sure. You don't have to ask for the seat. The board will
Say it by himself, themselves.
Okay.
have your seats. Okay?
Thank you.
Your good name, please.
I am Sabeen Khalik.
You are from?
Ma'am, can I give my introduction?
Sure.
Ma'am, I am Sabeen Khalik. I hail from Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my class 12th from Aligarh Muslim University, Abdullah School, and I have secured 90 plus 90.6 percentage in
Abdullah School or Senior
Abdullah Senior
Secondary?
Secondary School.
Yes, this is the correction.
Abdullah Senior Secondary School, Aligarh Muslim University, and I have secured 90.6 percentage in my class 12 boards.
Very good.
I am from humanities background.
Right. What were your subjects?
My subjects were political science, sociology, English, and fine arts.
Okay.
And like recently, instead of doom scrolling Instagram, I have come across recent landmark cases, which includes about euthanasia, pedestrian walk as a fundamental right, and this had made me slightly
You are
inclined.
using the word fundamental.
Yes.
What does this mean? Pause. One thing. Whatever words you are using while speaking, you have to be aware of what do it means. है ना? So you are using the word fundamental. What do fundamental word means?
Fundamental, I think available to everyone.
No.
मतलब you might be aware that there are few fundamental rights
Yes,
which
yes.
are not available to the aliens, right?
Yeah.
Then how you can say that these are the rights which are available to everyone? So availability is not the answer. Okay. And whenever you are talking about your inclination, don't use that Gen Z terms like doom scrolling.
Yes,
Okay.
okay, sure.
Ignore these words.
Sure.
Okay. So,
So you have to
continue
be
with the ma'am's
you
question.
have to be aware of you are using the fundamental. Fundamental means the basic. It is available to everyone except
Except the alien countries.
yes.
Right.
So this is the right answer, है ना? You have to be very confident and very polite.
Yes.
Keep smiling, है ना? That gives a positive effect.
Yes.
Yes. So what is euthanasia?
Euthanasia.
You are aware of this word?
Yes, ma'am. Euthanasia is also known as painless killing or mercy killing. It is for the people who are in a vegetative state or in terminal illness from a very long time. There are two types of euthanasia: passive euthanasia and active euthanasia.
Right.
Passive euthanasia in India, only passive euthanasia is allowed, not active euthanasia. Passive euthanasia is done when withdrawing all the medical treatments and life-saving treatments of a person. And active euthanasia.
Have you heard about any of the case?
Yes. Recently, there has been a case of passive euthanasia in India. It is the first case only, and which is of Harish Rana.
Excellent. Right.
Yes.
Right. Harish Rana. It is the first
Good.
execution case of
Yes, yes.
euthanasia.
And
Not the first case.
First case in India.
Prior to that, have you ever
Yes,
heard
yes.
about any lady who has dealt with that?
Yes, it was Aruna Shanbhav.
Excellent. Aruna Shanbhav.
Aruna
Okay.
Shanbhav.
Sabeel, could you tell, is there any difference between suicide and euthanasia? How euthanasia is different from suicide? In both, there is a death that is caused to the person. Okay. Then how suicide comes slightly different from the ambit of euthanasia?
Sir, suicide is when a person himself feels or when a person himself is is quitting from all his
First
life.
thing first, that suicide is unlawful,
Unlawful,
illegal.
yeah.
Whereas euthanasia is lawful
Is
and
lawful,
legal, right? And the second difference is what you have told, okay, about the cause and the way of execution.
Yes.
Suicide में the person himself or herself, okay, hangs or shoots. But in euthanasia, it's a proper procedure
Yes.
has been followed, and the procedure of euthanasia has been told in which case? Could you tell about the procedure? What are the permissions required from the High Court?
consent of both the parents or their guardian.
Could you please tell the name of the case? It was a very landmark judgment of 2018. Common Cause versus Union of India.
Common
Cause.
okay. I
Okay,
will
there was a
learn
concept
about
of living will in the Common Cause versus Union of
Okay,
India. Okay.
Beta, have you ever heard about live-in relationship?
Yes, ma'am. I have.
What do we have any law for that?
We have a domestic violence law for it also, like, or maintenance law as well. If two people
No,
are
my
She is
question-
asking about, is there any protection given by the law to the person who are in a live-in relationship? She is asking about that legal protection.
We have, you are right, we have domestic laws, we are having very n number of laws, but my question is, have you ever heard the word live-in relationship?
Yes, I have heard the word live-in.
Okay. Is there marriage persist in between that?
No,
Then what?
they are.
Is it a legal form or is it a illegal form?
No, it is legal only. It is
Legal only.
with both the.
So you are saying legal only, then we might be having laws for that?
Yes, there are laws, but I can't recall it right now.
Okay, good.
Okay.
So have you nowadays what is going on regarding rains? बारिश का मौसम है,
Yes.
then we are having rains, but a number of people were talking about prior to rainy season that this rain is false rain.
Yes.
Who is at the back of that?
Ma'am, I've read about Elon Musk's project about
False rains?
yes.
Elon Musk.
Yes.
Or
Okay.
Steve
About
Jobs.
yes. No,
Are you sure? Elon Musk or Steve Jobs?
Steve Jobs, I think. Yeah.
Hmm.
I was wrong. Steve
Hmm.
Jobs.
So please try to concentrate on that. Just go. Do you go through with the newspaper every day?
Ma'am, not currently, but I used to go through.
You used to do.
Yes.
Do you have you ever read about the editorial column?
Yes. Yes.
What is in the editorial column? Who writes that?
There are several people like authors, maybe
Mhm.
like be it judges or be it lawyers. They write about a issue that has been going on around, and major issues as well. Like it is obvious major issues.
They do criticize it, or they are in favor of that, about those issues.
They criticize it. Mostly, I have read criticism.
Criticism. Good. So, of the records, you have to be very.
Confident.
You have given very nicely.
Thank you.
You have put it everything very positively.
Thank you.
So that's good. You can leave.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
इस बच्चे को बताया था कि कुछ ना आए तो बता देना, विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट आई हैव स्टडीड बट आई एम अनएबल टू रिकॉल। ये सब आंसर जो है नहीं घटाए हुए हैं। अच्छा करा इसने। आसिफ दूसरे को
Yes, please come. Where are your credentials?
डॉक्यूमेंट्स।
Sorry, ma'am, I forgot.
You have? But there you have to carry it.
Yes.
Okay? Hold the file like this.
Actually he
okay?
was not informed today about
Acha, okay, fine. Have your seat.
Okay.
Now, first thing, you introduce yourself.
I am Muhammad Dilshad Raza, and I am from Siwan, Bihar, and I have completed my 10th from Siwan, Bihar, and 12th from AMU Aligarh.
Okay. So, what were your subjects in 12th?
Physics, chemistry, and biology.
Biology.
Yes, ma'am.
Right from science, you have switched over to humanities. How come? Means, why you have opted for this? What is the reason?
Ma'am, I am passionate about law. And
अच्छा,
I
you
want
are
to study-
passionate about law.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Because first thing is I want to go in judiciary.
अच्छा, first thing you want to go in judiciary.
Yes, ma'am.
So
And-
that is why you are passionate,
Yes, ma'am.
not by which is what is going on in society.
Say it, whatever you feel, just say it.
Express yourself. Be comfortable. Express yourself, whatever you want to say.
मतलब she is asking why you have switched from such a scientific field to the purely field of humanities. मतलब there is your inclination. What is your inclination towards law? How do you find law
Right
more
from science,
interesting?
you have landed over to humanities.
How do you find law more interesting than science?
Ma'am, can I be bilingual?
हाँ, you can, but try to speak in English.
Whatever you
That
want.
is must.
Just
हाँ.
try to say in English whatever you want. बाइलिंगुअल बता दो.
चलो bilingual बोल दो.
मैम, मैं अभी तक जो जानता हूँ ऐसा कहीं ऐसा डिफाइन नहीं है कि जो है ह्यूमैनिटीज से ही लॉ कर सकते हैं.
ह्यूमैनिटीज से लॉ कर सकते
मतलब ह्यूमैनिटीज वाले ही लॉ कर सकते हैं या फिर लॉ में आने के लिए ह्यूमैनिटीज होना चाहिए.
No, she is not saying that.
Yes.
Ma'am is
हम-
not asking that. Ma'am is asking your why, not what.
नहीं,
Why
हम तो
you-
सिर्फ ये जानना चाहते हैं, आप बेसिकली एक साइंस स्टूडेंट थे, आपने इतने दिन फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ्स या बायोलॉजी पढ़ी,
Yes.
ठीक है, उसके बाद सीधे आप आ गए ह्यूमैनिटीज़ के लिए.
जी.
लॉ भी उसी में आता है फील्ड में,
जी.
तो आप लॉ के लिए आ गए. ये आपके इंटरेस्ट की बात है, हमें इससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम, क्योंकि साइंटिफिक एटीट्यूड, मी माई सेल्फ वॉज अ साइंस स्टूडेंट, आई हैव ऑल्सो ऑप्टेड फॉर लॉ. लेकिन बेटा एक कुछ होता है ना, दैट अट्रैक्ट्स यू.
Yes, ma'am.
What has attracted you towards it?
मैम, लीगल अवेयरनेस, मैं सोसाइटी में लीगल अवेयरनेस फैलाना चाहता हूँ.
Okay, very good.
सोशल जस्टिस भी लाना चाहता हूँ.
Hmm.
और अपना राइट और पब्लिक के राइट को प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ.
Hmm.
ये मैम मेरा एम है
Aim है.
लॉ में.
Okay, okay. तो you want to become judge just to help out the people?
यस मैम.
How will you help them? कैसे आप उनकी मदद करेंगे?
बाय फेयर जजमेंट.
Good. By fair
By
judgment.
giving the fair.
अच्छा,
judgment.
कोई आपकी कोर्ट में कोई गरीब आदमी आता है,
यस मैम.
how will you handle him?
मैम, उसके लिए फ्री लीगल एड है.
Free legal
एड है.
Aid.
aid नहीं,
Aid. Free legal
aid,
aid.
यस मैम.
aid है. हाँ,
Could
तो
you-
आप उसको ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द टेबल जाके हेल्प करेंगे.
नहीं मैम, उसको फ्री लीगल एड दिलवाएंगे जो कि आर्टिकल
Good.
391 ए देता है.
क्या होता है, व्हाट इज फ्री लीगल एड? देखिए, आप जो भी वर्ड यूज करेंगे, आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क दोज क्वेश्चंस. हाँ, व्हाट इज फ्री लीगल एड?
मैम, आर्टिकल 391 ए 390 ए 39 ए जो है.
बेटा, ये सब वर्ड्स बहुत केयरफुल होके यूज़ करना, क्योंकि सवाल वहीं से टक से आएगा आपके पास. आप आर्टिकल जो यूज़ कर रहे हैं फिर पूछेंगे व्हाट इज़ दैट आर्टिकल, और उसमें अगर आप फंस गए तो फिर मसला हो जाएगा.
So whenever you are citing about free legal aid, you have to mention 39A as well as the case of Hussainaira Khatun versus State of Bihar. It's a legal backing. Okay, the judge said in this case that poverty should not come in the way of justice.
Yes.
This is the legal backing of free legal aid in India. Okay, so whenever you cite legal words, legal glossary, you have to also give the legal backing. Okay.
हाँ, तो बेटा, हाँ बेटा, लीगल एड क्या होती है?
मैम, लीगल एड जो गरीब हैं, जो अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते हैं,
हाँ.
तो उनके लिए एक लीगल एड बनाया गया है
हाँ,
जो कि
तो इस लफ्ज़ का मतलब क्या है?
जो लॉ में हेल्प चाहते हैं. लाइक
आप बेटा इसको तोड़िए दो वर्ड में. लीगल, ये
Aid.
बना है
Yes, ma'am.
लीगल और एड
Yes,
वर्ड
ma'am.
से. लीगल मीन्स
Law.
नॉलेज ऑफ लॉ. What assistance you want to provide to them? माना क्रिमिनल का केस है तो आप क्रिमिनल लॉयर के लिए उनके लिए अरेंज करेंगे या उनकी मदद कराएंगे. एड मीन्स मदद,
हेल्प.
हेल्प.
यस मैम.
तो बेटा इसको हम लीगल एड कहते हैं. अब आपने हमको बता दिया कि इस आर्टिकल में इसका जिक्र है. अच्छा ये बताइए कि आर यू अवेयर ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट?
यस मैम।
क्या होता है? सबसे पहला लॉ कब बना एनवायरनमेंट से रिलेटेड? कोई लॉ है एनवायरनमेंट से रिलेटेड?
यस मैम।
कौन सा है? एनवायरनमेंट प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 1986।
यस मैम।
ये आप जवाब देंगे, है ना? तो आपको पता होना चाहिए एनवायरनमेंट का मतलब क्या होता है? पर्यावरण, जिसको हम आपकी लैंग्वेज में आ जाते हैं पर्यावरण। तो आपको क्या हम इंडिया में इस टाइम जो क्राइसिस है, आपने देखा एवरीवेयर द वर्ल्ड इज बॉइलिंग,
यस मैम।
व्हाई इट इज? जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट?
यस।
So, what is the drawback of environment in nowadays, in present scenario? इस वक्त की जो परिस्थितियां हैं उसमें पर्यावरण का क्या ऐसा हुआ है जिसकी वजह से वी आर फेसिंग दैट?
हाई टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है।
कैसे?
पॉल्यूशन की वजह से।
खाली पोल्यूशन से?
बट मैम मेजर रीज़न जो है वो पॉल्यूशन है।
ओनली पोल्यूशन?
पॉल्यूशन है, ओवर यूज ऑफ रिसोर्स।
ओवर
use of resources.
Over
resources, okay. What is the basic cause? Pollution doesn't come on the first step. क्या पहला रीजन क्या है? पहला एस्पेक्ट क्या है? डिफॉरेस्टेशन बेटा। सबसे पहले डिफॉरेस्टेशन वर्ड यूज करो, फिर पॉपुलेशन, इंक्रीज इन पॉपुलेशन। अब लोग बढ़ गए हैं तभी तो हमारा पोल्यूशन बढ़ा है।
Exactly.
पहला वर्ड हम पोल्यूशन नहीं यूज करेंगे, है ना?
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
बेटा अच्छा, उसके वजह से हम लोग क्या फेस कर रहे हैं? एबनॉर्मेलिटी इन राइज इन सी लेवल।
यस।
हर जगह बाढ़, ये वो सब आप देख रहे हैं, वो क्या है? दैट इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ओनली। तो बेटा इट इज द बेसिक थिंग। सबसे पहले डिफॉरेस्टेशन। क्यों इतना आपने देखा है लैंडस्लाइड्स हो रहे हैं, बादल फट रहा है,
Deforestation.
सब? हाँ, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ
Deforestation.
डिफॉरेस्टेशन। कौन सा ऐसा प्रधानमंत्री था इंडिया का जिसने एनवायरनमेंट पे या पर्यावरण पे सबसे पहले जोर दिया था?
सॉरी।
इंदिरा गांधी।
Okay, could you tell any advocate or judge which is associated as a green judge or green advocate? There is one person who is very famous for the environment litigation in India.
MC मेहता।
MC Mehta. Excellent.
शाबाश, very good.
Could you please also name the name of a judge?
PN भागवती।
The Justice? No. Justice Kuldeep Singh.
Justice Kuldeep।
Okay, Kuldeep Singh. He is known as the green judge.
Yes।
Okay.
बेटा अखबार पढ़ते हैं? अखबार पढ़ते हैं?
जी।
क्या पढ़ते हैं उसमें? वो मारा गया, वो काटा गया, वो लूट ले गया, वो भाग गया, या क्या पढ़ते हैं आप? आपका वो क्या है, इंटरेस्ट क्या है?
निश क्या है?
जैसे ही पेपर आता है, न्यूज़पेपर आता है, आप सबसे पहले इसमें क्या देखते हैं?
मैम मैं द हिंदू पढ़ता हूँ, उसमें जो है कुछ इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स आते हैं
हाँ,
रेगुलर, कुछ नए नए वर्ड्स
शाबाश,
आते हैं।
वेरी गुड।
और बाकी जो लीगल अफेयर्स जो आते हैं, लीगल करंट अफेयर्स होते हैं जो लॉ से रिलेटेड होते हैं, लाइक सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट, और जो पार्लियामेंट से आते हैं।
अच्छा, तो बेटा ये जो वर्ड्स आप उसमें डिफरेंट पढ़ते हो, फिर उसको क्या करते हो?
उसको फिर मैम एनालाइज करते हैं,
कैसे?
बाकी अदर रिसोर्स से, फ़ोन से, गूगल से।
अच्छा, तो क्या देखते हो उसमें? बिल्कुल कंफर्टेबल रहो बताने में, बिल्कुल ऐसा रखो जैसे घर कैसे बात कर रहे हो। हाँ, सबसे पहले आकर ये सवाल आता है, सबसे पहले आपको जवाब देना चाहिए कि सबसे पहले कोशिश करते हैं, फर्स्ट थिंग जो होती है, कोई भी नया वर्ड हम देखते हैं, सबसे पहले वी गो थ्रू द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट वर्ड, वेयर इट इज़ यूज्ड एज एन एडजेक्टिव, एज ए नाउन, एज ए प्रोनाउन, ये सब हम उसको यूज़ करते हैं, कैसे यूज़ करते हैं,
Yes,
है ना? तो ये सबसे पहली चीज़ है। बहुत अच्छा आपने जवाब दिया कि आप उसमें जजमेंट्स पढ़ते हैं, सारी चीज़ें पढ़ते हैं जो आपके इंटरेस्ट की है। तो एडिटोरियल कॉलम पढ़ते हैं कभी हिंदू में?
नहीं।
बेटा हिंदू जो लोग पढ़ते हैं वो उसके एडिटोरियल कॉलम के ही उसकी सबसे बड़ी ज़रूरत होती है, उसके लिए ही लोग हिंदू लगाते हैं अखबार। तो बेटा कोशिश करा करिए, जो हमारे करंट सिनेरियो में जो चीज़ें बर्निंग टॉपिक्स हैं उसके ऊपर क्रिटिक्स आता है, वो बेटा एडिटोरियल कॉलम में मेंशन होता है। जो भी चीज़ नई आपकी कंट्री में या अब्रॉड चल रही होगी उसके बारे में आएगा, तो आपको क्या हो जाएगा, उसका क्रक्स पता चल जाएगा, उसकी जिस्ट पता चल जाएगी, उसकी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट पता चल जाएंगे। व्हाट आर द प्रॉस एंड कॉन्स? प्रॉस एंड कॉन्स समझते हैं?
Yes,
पॉजिटिव चीज़ें एंड
Negative.
नेगेटिव चीज़ें, वो आपको पता चल जाएंगी। तो बेटा इसके लिए बहुत मस्ट होता है।
यस मैम।
अच्छा बेटा, आजकल हमारी सोसाइटी में क्या ऐसी चीज़ है जो बहुत इंटरनेशनली भी फेमस है और सब लोग उसकी तरफ भाग रहे हैं? कोई लॉ की ऐसी चीज़ है जिसके लिए हम लोग अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं, उसी से रिलेटेड चीज़ें बन रही हैं, उसी से रिलेटेड पढ़ाई लिखाई चल रही है, उसी से रिलेटेड दुनिया में सब कुछ हो रहा है एंड पीपल आर आफ्टर दैट?
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस।
शाबाश, वेरी गुड।
आर्टिफिशियल।
हाँ, तो कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस? का मतलब क्या है? ये दो लफ्ज़ से मिलके बना है, आर्टिफिशियल और इंटेलिजेंस।
यस मैम।
क्या मतलब है इसका?
आर्टिफिशियल मतलब वो मैन मेड जो,
हाँ
और इंटेलिजेंस जो है वो
हाँ, हिंदी में बता दो, कोई बात नहीं,
हिंदी में बोल दो, हिंदी में।
बोल दो। इसका इस्तेमाल हम कहाँ कहाँ करते हैं?
मैम इसका अभी जो यूज है उसका हर जगह यूज है, अपने डेली लाइफ में भी यूज कर रहे हैं, अपने प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में
अच्छा,
भी use
कैसे
कर रहे हैं।
डेली लाइफ में कैसे यूज़ करना है?
डेली लाइफ में अगर मैम मुझे कुछ पढ़ना है, कुछ सीखना है तो भी हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं। कुछ
एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं?
एग्जाम्पल मैम, अभी जैसे हमें कुछ पढ़ना होता है, कुछ नया टॉपिक सुने
हाँ।
या फिर कुछ कोई वर्ड सुने
हाँ।
तो उसे हम एआई से सीखते हैं या फिर उससे जानने की कोशिश करते हैं।
हम्म।
अच्छा दिलशाद, do you think that AI can take the place of a judge in
No,
future? AI can replace a judge?
नो सर।
Why?
एआई जो है वो एक इंसान का जगह नहीं ले सकता है।
But it is using that human consciousness. It is doing everything which a human can do usually.
अच्छा,
But
ये
why
बताइए,
not
एलन
just-
मस्क का नाम आपने यूज सुना है?
सुना है, उन्होंने बोला था।
तो ये बताइए, एलन मस्क ने अभी 3-4 दिन पहले क्या कहा था एआई के बारे में? अखबार का वो हेडिंग था,
ट्विटर पे भी डाला था।
सॉरी।
एआई इज गोइंग टू रिप्लेस ह्यूमन बीइंग्स। सबसे पहला यही लिखा है उसने, तो कह दिया ये तो इंसानों की हमें ज़रूरत ही नहीं है।
And it was a warning, not a compliment.
अच्छा, मेडिसिन में कौन अथॉरिटेटिव या मेडिकल लाइन का कौन अथॉरिटेटिव पर्सन है जिसके को आजकल लोग बहुत क्रिटिसाइज़ कर रहे हैं? आर्टिफिशियल रेंस भी करवा रहा है, दवाओं की टेस्टिंग भी करवा रहा है। आपने एक सुना होगा कि लड़कियों को एक इंजेक्शन लगाया जाएगा जिससे उनकी रिप्रोडक्टिव एबिलिटी ख़त्म हो जाएगी। ये सब सुन रहे हैं? ये सब हमारे करंट सिनेरियो में चल रहा है, अखबार में भी आ रहा है, क्रिटिसिज्म भी हो रहा है, उसकी पॉजिटिविटी भी आ रही है, उसकी नेगेटिविटी
भी आ रही है।
कौन है? हु इज एट द बैक ऑफ इट?
सॉरी मैम, आई एम नॉट अवेयर अबाउट इट।
You are not aware about it.
चलिए, ये सब चीज़ें ज़रा सा इनको
हाँ, मैं
टिडबिट्स
बता
दे
दूँ, मैं
दीजिए,
बता दूँ,
है ना?
मैं बता दूँ।
ठीक है बेटा, थैंक यू।
ठीक है।
Thank you.
अच्छा,
Thank you.
गुड, बस सब कुछ अच्छा कहा है बस।
Ma'am, please write me.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir.
हैव योर सीट्स।
Thank you, ma'am.
नाउ द फर्स्ट थिंग, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Ma'am, my name is Fatima Imtiaz and I hail from Aligarh, and my hobby is writing, and also sometimes I love to read books, and I have passed my class 12th from AMU.
ओके, सो व्हाट वाज योर स्ट्रीम?
Ma'am, humanities,
ह्यूमैनिटीज। विच सब्जेक्ट्स यू हैव चोजन?
history, pol science and economics.
So according to your interest you have taken this combination?
Ma'am, yes ma'am, it was my interest in these subjects.
Okay. Then why you have switched over towards law?
Ma'am, for me, pursuing law was like because every citizen, given the conditions of our country right now, every citizen must know law, and a citizen who knows law is an empowered citizen, and he can't be misled or fooled so easily. So it gives awareness as well as empowerment to citizens. So this was my reason of choosing law.
Okay. So what you want to be in this field?
Ma'am, right now I have an inclination towards making a career in judiciary.
Okay. So how will you going to help the society by becoming a judge?
Ma'am, for me, if I'm becoming a judge, or for any individual who wants to pursue a career in judiciary, he must be at least not include personal biasness into his career. So first thing I'm going to do is not include my personal biasness towards anyone, and the basic purpose of judiciary is to serve justice and to make sure that the victim and the victim must get what the satisfaction that he deserves, because right now we are in a situation, the turmoil in our country is due to the failure of system. So I would like to be a part of this system and make some improvements on my part.
But if your system is polluted, then how come you are going to do it?
Ma'am,
You have to flow with the water.
ma'am, I think if we all are going to think that way, then our system will get ruined in the end, definitely. So
Very good,
small
very good.
changes.
Okay, tell me, Fatima, that if you are acting as a judge and there is a law, you have to abide by the law as a judge. Okay, there is a law which is prima facie very unjust and draconian in nature.
Yes.
So will you abide that law and give judgment, or will you use your individual conscience and empathy? As a
Um,
judge, you have to abide by the law.
Sir, if as a judge I have to abide by the law, then I must abide by the law and not go against the law, because that is usually what we are supposed to follow. And if it is a law, then there must be some reason why that law was formed.
Okay. You have might heard many times that judiciary comes into the domain of legislation,
Yes,
and
sir.
judiciary start making the law, and that is not the core function of judiciary.
Yes, sir.
The core function of judiciary is judicial review. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is your opinion on judicial legislation? Is it something that should be done in a well-developed democratic setup, or it should not be done?
Sir, it should be done
It should
in
be
this
done.
democratic system, because we have this concept of judicial review just to review the legislations which are passed by the parliament. And it is not necessary that whatever it is passed by parliament is true and it abides by the values of constitution.
Don't you think that intervening of judiciary into legislation making is a judicial overreach rather than judicial review?
No, sir, it's not judicial overreach. Sometimes it is important for judiciary to interfere in the legislation, because, ma'am, as we have seen, some laws were passed in the past, and if there was not any intervention of judiciary in during the procedure of passing of those laws, then I think it would have led to a great turmoil in the country.
Right.
Can you give an example of
An
that?
example of the case law?
Ma'am, in 2019, as we saw, that Citizen Amendmentship Act was passed, and it had some
Loopholes.
loopholes.
Mhm.
So, ma'am, during that time, as well as people also participated in the country on a large scale, and judiciary also took a great part in that process.
So if there is any issue which is so important for the society and no one is complaining or filing a suit for it, so do judiciary have that suo motu power of cognizance? Can judiciary take suo motu cognizance over those issues?
Yes, sir. In certain matters, judiciary can take suo motu
Suo motu.
cognizance. Like in recently last year in August, we saw that there was an issue for street dogs, and in that case also judiciary took suo motu cognizance.
Now, Fatma, nowadays we are having a very big issue related to the girl child.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? They are not protected.
Yes.
Whether it is a school, whether it is on the way, with everywhere. So, what measures should we take in the present scenario? Just you have gone through the paper.
Yes, ma'am.
32 people have raped a 13-year-old girl.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what should be done in the society just to curb with the menace of this situation?
Ma'am, if some measures were to be taken, so, ma'am, first I would like to fix the system, because the failure of system is what causing people having so much courage to do such heinous crimes. So, ma'am, if I were in that position, like in every big economy, we can see there is a little bit of correction, but the least we can do is to minimize that corruption. And we have seen so many countries which have low rates of rapes, because due to the measures taken by the government. So ma'am, first I would like to reduce the corruption in our administrative system. Then we must take some measures, like we must introduce some new laws which will protect the girl child in this society. And we can see that Indian society, as compared to around all the countries in the world, it is one of the society which is living in the pre-medieval times. So we must fix that by campaigns and by making awareness especially in the rural areas, because
But in cities, this happened in city.
yes ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes. Sri Ganganagar.
yes
Huh.
ma'am. So ma'am, in cities if it is happening, we must like, there are people who can't control their inner thoughts. We cannot do anything about them, but at least we can make sure that in every school it must be made sure that every girl must learn some defensive techniques which she should use when she is in trouble. So it must be made mandatory in every school and every educational institution, just for the girls' safety.
Okay, nowadays people are talking that the stringent laws which are prevalent in Saudi region,
Yes, ma'am.
they are talking about that we should take a step and do punish such people on that basis. So, do you agree with that or not?
Ma'am, like in Saudi, the laws which they are making, it's according to the Sharia, and they punish people in society so as to curb the crime rates. But ma'am, as per my opinion, we shouldn't do that in such a heterogeneous society, because it may cause danger in future to the victim's family, and and in many societies we have seen that such laws have not reduced reduced the rates of crime, but only it gives like a thrust towards the increase in those crimes.
Good. Very good.
ठीक है. आप दोनों ने इनकॉर्पोरेट करा जो इन्हें बताया.
अच्छा है.
मैम, आप 2 मिनट कुछ टिप्स दे दिए और